In this video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your contacts in HubSpot. To do that, head over to your HubSpot, click on CRM, and then from in there, locate the option for the lists. If you can find it, you can also click onto the search option and click onto this list and search for it until you can see the option for it. Here we have segments, so click on that. It's formally called list, so click on those as well. Now, once we have done that, we can see right here our segments that we currently have. Click on this create segment. In here, choose what you want to create a segment of. I'll head over and choose right here a segment of my contacts. You can generate segment filters for this as well. And then click onto this next in order to create a segment for that. Now from in there, you can head over and add any filter that you want. You can input right here the properties as well as events that those contacts are part of. Once you're done, you can head over and click on next to create that segment. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.